Hey everyone, this is Nika, and this is my first vlog since moving to France for university. I'm actually in my apartment right now, which you'll see very soon in this video. And yeah, I just thought it would be fun to document this journey for a few different reasons. First of all, I don't actually know anyone here yet, so it'll be nice to have someone to talk to, even if it is just my iPhone screen. And also, I wanted to be able to kind of keep my friends and family at home up to date on what I'm keeping myself up to. So if you'd like to join me on this journey, please feel free to do so. Today's vlog is mostly just about moving in and getting settled, but I will have some more exciting travel content and probably school-related stuff coming soon. So yeah, let's head right on into the video. So the journey was actually quite long. I took 2 planes and several trains, one of which actually stopped right outside Disneyland Paris, but finally I arrived in Reims. Hello, it has been a day. It has been a day. But you know what? I made it to Reims and I survived. And I'm actually feeling okay, even though I'm on like 1 hour of sleep for 30 hours of being awake. But I'm feeling good because I'm in my apartment and I actually really like it. It's pretty small, but it's really nice. So I want to show you guys what it looks like now, and then I'm probably gonna make a few little tweaks and obviously unpack my stuff, and then I'll show you how it looks after. All right, so when you walk in, that is the door, which is extremely secure. Nobody's gonna be breaking in here. And then I've got just all of my bags and stuff. This is my year's worth of stuff. I think I did a decent job, packing light, although I probably could have done less, but I'm here for a year, you know? Anyway, and then if you just go straight from the entrance, there's a little bathroom here. So I've got a nice shower. Everything's pretty new as well. Renovated 2020, I believe. Toilet also. Their toilet paper is 7 ply. It is so thick. It's too thick, but anyway. They also gave me some room spray, which is nice. And then we've just got our little sink with our drawers, some cleaning things. This is the thing that heats up the water. Yes, and there's me. And then there's this towel heating rack, which I don't think I'm gonna use because I'm trying to use as little electricity as possible, but it is there. I'll just use it as a regular towel rack probably. And then some control stuff. And then the main living area, which is very small, but this is a studio. Right here is our little kitchenette, which is slightly open because I was using one of the knives. So we have cutlery in there, pots and things in there. And I think there's some more wood downstairs, so I can add more shelves. And bowls, plates, cups, little induction stove, our mini fridge, then just some storage space there. And then I have a microwave / toaster oven in one, which is pretty cool, but I'm gonna have to move it because this is gonna be my desk. So we're gonna have to find a new spot for that one. And then I have a chair. And then I really like this. This is just some storage, but they have these cute plants and these cute modern art, which really just liven up the room, as do the curtains. I love how they're different colors. That's so fun. They can close all the way, and then there's also a blind thing on the outside that basically blacks out the room. Then we have these 2 little coffee tables, which are also very cute. I love how everything is just so color coherent, and I don't even have to do a lot of decorating. I still will though. And then this little rug, which is a little dirty, but that's fine. I don't care about that kind of thing. And then the bed's cool because it's kind of like a trundle bed, but better, because you literally just pull this out and then it becomes a queen size bed. Or if you just pull the individual drawers, you can store stuff. So you can see my duvets in there right now, which they also supplied for me, thank goodness, because I could not fit a duvet in my suitcase. But yeah, it's storage. Then I've got a little light there. I think that's pretty much everything. Yeah, that is my little studio apartment. Like I said, it's not big, but it's realistically big enough for what I need as a student. And it's cheaper than a lot of other places were. And it's the only place I could get. I searched for an apartment for 4 months. I sent 100 emails and I got this one. So you know what? I can't complain. I have a place and it's cute. So I'm gonna sign off for tonight because I'm not even tired anymore. I'm like past that point, but I need to go to bed. Hello, it is a new day. Although for me, it already feels like it's the end of the day because I've been awake for about 8 hours now. I don't know why, I don't usually get jet lag, but I definitely got jet lag this time. It's okay, I made good use of my time. I kind of organized everything, unpacked, did a little bit of, not like redecorating, but just rearranging and making it look nice. And so I wanna show you guys what I did. Oh, but first, I'd like to show you my underground cave. It's called a cave, which is just spelled like cave. I don't know what it is in English. Basically just storage, but here you go. Okay, I'm not gonna lie and say that it isn't creepy down here, but anyway, this is my cave. I'm just gonna call it my cave. It is dark and creepy. There's no light. It's basically just a little cement hole. Fun. So nothing has changed about the bathroom yet, so I'll just skip that. But as you can see, I've got the main living area nice and organized here. So I have my desk there. I have a picture of my friends so that when I'm lonely, I can have that. I put up some affirmations. I know that's really cheesy, but I feel like I'm gonna need it at some point. Oh, and then I put my shoes in there because I thought that would look nice. I'm currently wearing the shoes that are there, which is why there's a gap. I had to move the microwave because it wasn't working on that side. Got the little plants and the picture thing that they left, which I actually really like. I'm glad they left that. Kitchen basically looks the same. That drawing thing is not going to stay there. I just didn't know where to put it. Obviously, right behind the stove is not a great idea. And here is the side with the bed, as you can see. I still have to get pillows. I was sleeping on a little WestJet pillow, which I don't actually mind. I prefer like smaller or flatter pillows, so that didn't bother me much. And then I put up my little scratch map and I wanted to scratch France off, but I forgot the scratching stick, the scratching tool. So I'm gonna have to find something else and then scratch. But yeah, there's the little update. Also, do not be fooled into thinking that this is all going very smoothly. I spent about an hour and a half in the middle of the night trying to get the stove to work. Our little stove right there. Turns out it was just the pan. It has to be a magnetic pan, and apparently the pan is not magnetic. So I found like a really dingy old gross pot, but it worked. And then I made instant noodles. Wow, I'm really achieving full college kid here. I didn't have anything else. And speaking of not having anything else, I am gonna go grocery shopping now because I do not want to have an hour-long quest for Mr. Noodles again. I just had the most pleasant grocery shopping experience ever. I love grocery shopping to begin with, but oh my goodness. Literally, okay, it's right down the street from me. It is like the perfect size because it's big enough to have everything that you need, but also not so big that it's just like overwhelming. Although I was overwhelmed because it was so neat and clean and beautiful, and they had so many cool things. They had like so much cheese, which I guess is to be expected for France, but it was just so great. I already unpacked it, but I wanted to show you a few cool things I found. One of which is this. It's like a hazelnut spread, basically like Nutella minus the chocolate, which is perfect for me because I don't like chocolate. And it was only €3. If you bought this in Canada, I think I have bought it before, and it's like 2 or 3 times as expensive. So I just had to get it. And then these 6 mini baguettes for €2. That's 30 cents, 30 euro cents, whatever, per baguette. And the last cool thing I wanted to show you, I already started eating these. These are 25% off because they expire in 4 days. That's a long time. So it was only like €1.20 for 4 of these. They're soy, so like dairy-free hazelnut almond like puddings. They're actually so good. I feel like Europe just knows how to do dairy-free like yogurts and things. Canada does not. Canada must take notes. After getting settled, I decided to go explore the city center a little. Well, sort of. I basically just found a bank and bought a SIM card. But it was still really nice to get a little glimpse of Reims. It's beautiful, as you can see, and I can't wait to explore it. I did find one very exciting thing, though. I mean, it's exciting for me. I found the French version of a dollar store. I'm very happy because, as you probably all know, I love cheap things, and French people tend to prefer like fancy, high-end, or at least like quality things. So I was quite worried that I was not going to be able to get any of my dollar store goods, but they have a store called C'est 2 euros, which is exactly how it sounds. Everything is €2, so it's a little more than a traditional dollar store, but they have some pretty nice stuff. Of course, I'm on a tight student budget, so I just got the stuff I actually needed and was looking for. So I got these 5 containers for $2, €2. One of these little fold out boxes. I don't know why I forgot the word for box. That's a pretty simple one, Nika. Oh, and then I got this to hang in my shower because I noticed there's no ledges or anything, so I can't like leave stuff in there, but this will make that a lot easier. And then I just couldn't resist. I mean, this is such a nice like tin, and it was only €2. It says natural, fresh, and pure. I forgot the E on pure. My little garden, green life. Oh, and then I was saying I lost the scratcher thing for my scratch map. I just got a new €2 scratch map. I actually want to open this and see what it's like. I'm just going to balance you here so that we can open this up and have a little look at what's inside. Okay, it is very tiny, and it doesn't even come with a scratch thing. So now I'm just left with 2 scratch maps with no scratch things. It's cute though. I'm still going to scratch it. I think that's where I'm going to end today's video. It's kind of been a lot already, even though I've basically just moved in and been here like less than 2 days. But please do stay tuned for future episodes. Probably this weekend, I'll film some more stuff of me exploring the city, so you could get to see some fun stuff of Reims, the city that I'm studying in. So thanks for joining me today. Please feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for future content.